How to reply with a video to comments on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to reply with a video to comments on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So if not, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on the update button whenever it is available. So it is important to update your TikTok app since this feature is available to the updated version only. So now, once you have done updating your TikTok app, you may now open it. And then, once you are in the TikTok app, look for the comment that you want to reply with a video. For example, I will choose this one. So, in order for you to reply with a video, what you're going to do is to simply press and hold onto that comment and then click on reply with video right here. So again, press and hold onto the comment and then click on reply with video. Once you click on reply with video, you may actually record a new video, or you may also upload an older video or the videos found on your camera roll. So now you may start recording or uploading your video, and then next is to edit or add some elements and then post it afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can reply with a video to comments on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.